You are screen sharing, and I am now recording.
Okay. Yeah. Like, what is this? Scott was just flagging, for example, track China 02. What is that file? We can right click it, and then there's this find references. It's also up here, assets, find references. It's the same thing. So we'll go find references. That will search the game for anyone who uses that light map. And we wait for it. Waiting. It's not quick because the number of assets in the game. What it's doing is checking all the scenes and all the prefabs for anybody who uses this. Wow.
And by the way, before you even get to this place, you should just have a list of suspicious things. But absolutely
A good place to start is a list of suspicious stuff.
yeah, I think that'll take a while just to amass.
And it found no references. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, that asset is not needed, and now the entire folder is not needed. I'm going to delete it. And while I'm at it, I might do one more, this other light map. Oops. This other light map looks equally sus. So find references. But before I commit, I'm going to need to play the game and make sure everything seems to work. Okay, that one also, let's delete it.
So a quick question. So during the process of finding and deleting some unused scripts assets, is it better to like for us to have basically a text file or any file to document what we have deleted from the game?
It's not a bad idea if you want to keep yourself some notes. What I was about to show is that I just deleted something from like China and LA, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go to the Chinese level. I'm going to try it, make sure that it runs, doesn't have any new errors down here. It's got this one. That one always happens, right?
Mm-hmm.
Other than that, the level seems to work. Play the whole level, make sure. I just deleted a light map, and so I'm looking for a lighting error.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, the lighting is kind of already broken on the game. It's a known bug, so looks good. So now I can commit. I'm gonna kill because I want to save any local changes, right?
Mm-hmm.
So I go ahead and shut that down, and then I'm going to commit that deletion and do them only a few at a time. Hold on, these, I do not want these. Don't want those. I only want these. Commit a few at a time, and there's your notes, right?
Mm-hmm.
Deleted unused light maps. Okay. And then, so if you have your own list of notes, that's fine. But as long as you're doing them in small batches, not like deleting 5,000 files at a time, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you're doing them in small batches, then we can go right here and we'll show the log and we'll see, here's your list, right? This happened.
Okay, I see.
And no, there's a change, there's a change, there's a change, right? I've actually kind of been doing this for a while, on and off, or somebody has. Somebody deleted this. Right? So we can see that here's our list right here, our master list. Yeah.
Okay, can you show us? I think you killed Unity.
Yeah,
but
I like to kill it before I do commits. Mostly because if you don't, you might have unsaved changes that won't go into the commit.
So quitting the game is just a way to force a save.
Yeah, it'll, like, if you have unsaved changes and you hit quit, Unity will tell you, hey, do you want to save these files? And then you go,
Mhm.
oh, yeah, I kind of did.
Right, right. So can you show us where the custom menu exists, the two areas to get the dependency search?
The custom menu again, I don't know, what is this parallel sync? I don't know what that is. So let's,
The parallel sync is basically like you can open two instances of Unity in one browser, on a same machine, and probably someone just committed that along with their code.
yeah, do we actually want it?
No, we can delete that because that's basically a copy of the same code just to run it parallelly on the same system.
Okay, I'm going to check this. Scott asked for, where's the menu? When you browse in the project folder, you browse for something, probably the easiest way, select the thing, right click, and find references.
Is that you mentioned your code? Is that your code?
Oh, okay. Yeah, just a second. I put it here, I think. Yeah, reference finder. This is the function that I'm invoking right there. It's called reference finder. This is the function, and I say my code. It's something I copied from this guy, Dave Lloyd's work, but then I went in and I added some stuff. I had to actually check the scenes as well. He didn't, his version didn't check scenes. So I added that.
So this is not under the custom drop-down menu. This is actually part of the right-click menu in Unity.
It is custom code. It's under assets, find references.
I see.
And the assets panel also invokes here on the right click.
Okay.
So, it is assets, find references, as you can see there.
Right. I was projecting what happened with Spurpunk, which is we were using the custom drop-down menu for all custom code.
Yeah, that's the thing with these. You can put them anywhere you want using this, right? So you can put it in a custom. I put it in assets, and the key there is that the assets pops here, so you can get it on right click.
That's lovely. Very accessible.